Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for maintaining healthy relationships: how to sincerely apologize. Whether you've hurt a friend, family member, or colleague, a genuine apology can make all the difference. So let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about the importance of an apology. An apology isn't just about saying, "I'm sorry." It's about mending relationships, restoring trust, and showing empathy. It demonstrates that you recognize the impact of your actions on others. Step 1. Reflect on your actions. Before you apologize, take a moment to think about what you did and why it was wrong. Understanding your actions will help you communicate more effectively. Step 2. Choose the right time and place. Find a private and comfortable setting for your conversation. Timing is crucial. Make sure the other person is in a receptive mood. Step 3. Be direct and honest. Start with a clear statement of apology. Use I statements to take ownership. For example, you might say, "I want to apologize for specific action." Step 4. Acknowledge the impact. Recognize how your actions affected the other person. This shows that you understand their feelings. You could say, "I realize that my words hurt you and made you feel specific emotion." Step 5. Express genuine regret. Convey your feelings about the situation. Use phrases like, "I am truly sorry for what I did." Step 6. Take responsibility. Avoid making excuses or shifting blame. Accept full responsibility for your actions. Step 7. Listen to their perspective. Allow the other person to share their feelings. Listening shows that you value their perspective and are willing to understand their side. Step 8. Offer to make amends. If appropriate, suggest ways to make things right. This could involve specific actions or changes in behavior. Step 9. Commit to change. Share how you plan to avoid repeating the mistake in the future. This demonstrates your commitment to personal growth. Step 10. Be patient. Understand that the other person may need time to process your apology. Respect their feelings and give them space if needed. Finally, step 11. Follow up. After some time, check in with the person to see how they're feeling. This shows that you care about their well-being and the relationship. A sincere apology can help rebuild trust that may have been damaged by your actions. It shows that you recognize your mistake and are willing to take responsibility. Apologizing can provide emotional relief for both parties. For you, it can alleviate feelings of guilt or shame. For the other person, it can validate their feelings and help them process the situation. A heartfelt apology can strengthen relationships. It demonstrates maturity and a willingness to communicate openly, which can lead to deeper connections. Apologizing can help resolve conflicts and misunderstandings. It opens the door for dialogue and can lead to a better understanding of each other's perspectives. Taking the time to reflect on your actions and apologize can lead to personal growth. It encourages self-awareness and helps you learn from your mistakes. A sincere apology can encourage the other person to forgive you. While forgiveness is ultimately their choice, your genuine remorse can facilitate the process. By apologizing sincerely, you set a positive example for others. It shows that taking responsibility for one's actions is important and can inspire others to do the same. An apology can provide closure for both parties. It allows you to move forward without the burden of unresolved issues hanging over the relationship. In some cases, a sincere apology can lead to reconciliation, where both parties can move past the incident and restore their relationship to a healthier state. Both you and the person you are apologizing to may experience emotional healing. It can be a step toward letting go of negative feelings associated with the incident. While the outcome of an apology can vary depending on the situation and the individuals involved, a sincere apology is generally a positive step toward healing and improving relationships.
Thanks for joining us, everyone, and we'll see you next time for another deep dive.
Bye!
Thank for watching.